Hi, this is Kevin Stewart coming to you from StockTA.com. I'm recording this on Saturday, October 5th, 2024. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is not investment advice. This is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a registered financial professional, and please consult one before you put a dime of your money into these markets. Weird trading week this week. Thursday was a Jewish holiday, so it was a very light volume day. Friday was a jobs report, which came in better than expected, and that allowed the market to rally a little bit on Friday. So let's start with SPY. Closed a little under 573. As you can see, it consolidated this week. Resistance at 574.76, which is small. Some light support here. Medium support at 564. RSI is only at 61. So this could be basing for another move up. QQQ closed at 487. Neutral term overall, short-term bullish. Has medium support at 484 and 472. So this could be basing for another move up. RSI is only at 60 and not much overhead resistance. DIA, which is Dow Industrial, bullish across the board. It's had a really good fall. It's been rallying since August. Small resistance here, small support, medium support just under 412. Bullish across the board. Be interesting to see how this moves if the good news continues, because this tends to be more of a defensive play as utilities have done well over the past couple months. TLT, 20-year Treasury bond ETF, neutral overall, bearish short term, had a really tough week. Heavy resistance at 98.65, medium resistance at 96.42. So this could be a near-term high, especially if the market begins to rally here and people take their money and rotate it into riskier things. We have been trading commodities and rotating out of certain sectors and going heavier into oil. We believe with China rallying and the jobs report, what's going on in the Middle East. I just started building a position in some of these stocks I'll be talking about next, so I am not heavily into them yet, and I'm still waiting for more confirmation. But UGA is U.S. gasoline, neutral overall and short term. Heavy support at 61.46. That was my entry point, just a little above that. Medium resistance at 64.61 and 67.35. If this broke support, I would not stick in this trade. But I think there's a chance that oil and correlation along with that, gasoline has put in a near-term low and could be due for a little bit of a catch-up rally here. A lot of the other commodities have taken off, and oil's been a laggard. And in our internal systems, crude oil actually just went bullish for the spot price. So we think anything associated with oil might rally here with it. XOM is Exxon. We also have a position in this. Really did well this week. Bullish across the board. No overhead resistance right now. Some small and medium support. So the chart is not stretched yet. RSI is getting to 69. So we'd like to see these support numbers keep creeping up. And we don't want to see, ones, twos, and threes for support. And we're hoping this will, slowly work its way up and continue to grind higher. Viper Energy, one of our favorite energy stocks. We've been in and out of this since COVID. 50.22, neutral overall, bullish short term. Again, no resistance overhead. RSI is 66. Also had a good week. We'd like to see these support numbers creep up a little more, as there's no real medium to high level support for a while. So this chart could be due for some consolidation, but we're long it right now, and it's one of our favorite ways to play the energy trade. IBIT, Bitcoin had an interesting week this week. It has flipped to bullish overall across the board. Heavy support at 34.90, medium resistance at 36.20, medium support at 33.56. RSI of 52. So it's something we're keeping an eye on to see if Bitcoin also tries to join oil with a little bit of a rally here. COPX had a really good beating basically all of September, really rallied. We are no longer long this position right now, but we were watching. We got in the low 40s and rode it almost all the way to the top and sold all position in my trading account right now. But we're watching again as China continues to rally and the general economy continues to rally. Copper usually does well along with it. So support at 47.72, it closed at 47.76. So that's a very key number to watch. Not much for high level support until down to 44. So we'd want to see this support line hold, and there's not much overhead resistance. So copper, along with the other commodities, could be something to watch here. It might just be consolidating in the short term, but it's something to keep an eye on. And then lastly, we used our stock screener, which is down here, to catch the China rally. We got in a couple weeks ago. I sold out of it this week, but FXI, I made almost 30%. Billy, I made 82%. LI, I made 38%. KWeb, I made 38% just on trades. These are very overbought right now, and I wanted to show the China large cap ETF. China Central Bank has done a ton of stimulus, but as you can see, I mean, the RSI is 79. Chart went straight up like a hockey stick, and there's not much support until the 26.560, which is very heavy support. But we wanted to lock in some gains there, and we're watching China as a whole, you know, to see if it consolidates and if it continues to rip higher. Probably not going to chase it here, but it was a great trade in the short term for me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please check out our website, www.stockta.com. It is a free website with technical analysis, stock screens, watch lists, Forex, sectors. I'm a user of the site, have been for 5 years now, believe strongly in it, and has really helped my trading style and my trading process. And we also have a Twitter account if you want to check us out there. Thank you.